Morning everyone, good morning. So today we are going to do one more combination with I, that is called LE. I-L-E. Now we are going to do or make new words with this. P plus I-L-E. Pile. Pile means dher. In Hindi pile means dher, like the books are piling here, your books are here, okay, like this. These are pile books. एक तरह से ढेर लगा हुआ है. B plus I-L-E. Bile. Bile means it's kind of juice which help to digest the food inside our stomach. Next word is F plus I-L-E. File. File. This word we use in the offices and school, and in the file we keep our important papers. M plus I-L-E. Mile we use for the distance, okay, like kilometers, meters and a mile. Mile is a bigger than kilometers. Sometimes you say na, मेरी नानी का घर, it is 200 kilometers away. ओके 200 किलोमीटर दूर है, बट माइल इज़ मोर देन दैट. माइल किलोमीटर से भी बड़ा होता है, इट्स बिगर देन द किलोमीटर. SMILE. स्माइल. स्माइल मीन्स मुस्कुराना. T plus ILE. Tile. Most of our house floor having the tiles. Especially in the bathrooms we use tile. Tile is kind of a flooring, okay, it's a kind of a flow. Tiles flow. So these are the words which you have to write in your notebook. So read it and learn it. Thank you so much.